y'all. Welcome to a very special vlog. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy to share exciting news with my YouTube friends. But before I get into the exciting news, I have a haul. I went to, well, not went to, I work at Sephora and we got a new makeup brand. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, y'all, but it's Hung Van Gogh. Hung Van Gogh. So yeah, we just launched at our store maybe 2 days ago. I purchased the lipstick and I did get a eyeshadow palette. So let me show you what they look like. Let me show you what they look like. So here is the packaging. It's like that red. It's like a red packaging. And this here is considered the orange palette. Outstanding orange. Orange. I don't know why I don't say orange right. I'm from up north, y'all. Sorry. Beautiful palette. Yo, do you see how pretty that is? Like, so pretty. I hope I was the one who did that little swatch. But yeah, I don't have nothing like this in my collection. So that's the reason I purchased this hair palette. When I tell you, he has so many different shades. Like, he even have an all green. He even have an all green palette. Like, he has a whole lot of palettes. I did get a lipstick in shade 88. It's like a neutral color, y'all. Y'all know how I am with my neutrals. So I thought the packaging was really like nice and sleek. So here is the shade. And this for me goes well with like a brown lip liner and a lip gloss on top. And then we also got our Ben Gratis. So here's in this here bag. One of my Sephora friends did give me her bag because she knows I love my bags. And she was like, girl, I don't need any more. But I just wanted to share. They wrote some little notes about me. Like on our door to our break room, we write like, you know, nice things about one another. So this one is from Serena. She said she's so uplifting. Whoop, whoop. My Serena Bobina. Don't leave a name, but she did because, you know, that's my Serena. This one is Tamika, you inspire me every day with your passion for what you do. Left a name. And this one here is inspire, uplift, celebrate, Tamika. We can hear your joy the moment you step in the building. Thank you for uplifting us. Oh, how cute. So yeah, those were just 3 little notes I got from my Sephora friends. Y'all, I am so excited. We got the Merit new face wash. Y'all, when I tell you this thing here is the true Merit display, I was like, well, let me try this. And it's a pump. So I put like, I always use a red lipstick. So I put a red lipstick on and I put this on. I rubbed it in, came right off. So I will be using that tonight. Then we spray smoothing mist. So it's like a setting spray. The brand rep did tell us to use it before and after your makeup. So yeah, I got something else. Of course, I have this a few times, but this here is also a cleansing oil by Codalie. My Codalie girl always hooking me up. And then I got this Charlotte dual ended contour lip pencil. And it's crazy because I was going to purchase this during the Dior sale because every so often we'll get 20% additional 20% off, which means we'll get 50% off for certain brands. And I was going to get some stuff from I was going to get some stuff from Charlotte, but I don't know, I didn't find anything worth getting. So this was one of the things I was going to get, but then I was just like, nah, something told me not to, and I'm glad. I say that to say I'm glad I didn't get it because I got it in Gratis, the shade that I wanted. I have had this so many times, y'all, but this here is the Hydro Grip. And then we also got something from Kosas. This here is a sunscreen. Like, ain't the packaging is so cute, right? And then I got a Ilia blush. I think this is this the orange? Oh no, it's the darker one. So yeah, I got an Ilia blush. I got an eyeliner from Makeup Forever because I was helping my girl Valerie. And she gifted me this and this little pouch right here. Got this here makeup. I got something from Milk. It's a cooling water jelly. I guess this is like skincare. I'm excited for this one because I got the Dior lip balm. My friend gifted me a lip balm. And now I'm good because I really don't need no more. I just wanted this particular, I just wanted one because of the cute little packaging or whatever. I'm glad I didn't purchase that because, so yeah, I'm glad I didn't purchase it because I got it in gratis. A cute little sweater. I got this sweater for like $3 at the outlets. So y'all, I'm so excited to share. If you've been following me a few videos ago, I have mentioned I was looking to get a support animal. It was a lot, but I did what I needed to do and I got approved. So Miss Tamika has her new support animal, and I told y'all it was between a dog or a cat, and I did pick a cat, y'all. Yes, I picked a cat because I felt like it'd be a lot easier for me to maintain with me working and my daughter, you know, doing her own thing. So yep, we got a cat. Y'all, best decision ever. Like when I tell you best decision ever, and I will show you what she looks like. Let me go get her. Okay, y'all, her name is Fiona, but we call her Fifi. Fifi, look, say hi. Say hello. When I tell you I am so in love with her. Fifi, say hi. Okay. Okay, she wants to get down. Do you want to get out too? Yeah, I'll open the door for you. Tell you, oh my gosh, I am in love with my cat. Like, now I get the whole emotional support thing because she has been a blessing. You hear me? A blessing. And shout out to my doctor who understood the need and wrote the letter with no problem. Yeah, it was a lot because living in an apartment, of course, you have to pay a pet fee. I think it was $450 for a cat or a dog. To me, I feel like the price should be a little different for a cat versus a dog because, you know, cats really don't tear up as much as dogs do. And I had to go through a pet screening to get approved for emotional support animals. So I reached out to my doctor because, you know, I'm in therapy. I'm on my anxiety medication and everything like that. And I'm just so, when I tell you, y'all, I'm just so thankful to my doctor. Like when I go see her in December, I'm gonna just give her a big hug because y'all, when I tell you, you know, kind of being somewhat of an empty nester, coming home, having my Fifi waiting for me at the door, having a purpose, having, you know, a reason to, you know, do more than just sit on the couch all day. Like I play with her. I love shopping for her, buying her stuff. I didn't buy too much because I was in the process of the approval. So I wanted to make sure, you know, before I invest in everything, like I was stressed out, you all. Like I was mentally drained, stressed out because I'm like, if it doesn't get approved, I didn't want to send her back because I felt like at the end of the day, she needed me and I needed her. And I say that because she's a rescue cat. One thing about getting a cat at a shelter, they pay for everything. Like she's chipped, she got all her shots. She's fixed as well because she is a girl cat. Of course, her name is Fiona. They took care of everything for me to like get me started. So next year, I think the next time she's due for her shots, of course, I'm gonna, you know, keep up on that. Before, but back when I had a pet, like I said, I was raised that a pet is a pet and you just let them do their thing. But now I see it's more to it, more mature to understand and, you know, appreciate her because y'all, when I tell you this has been the best thing ever for me, for my mental health, for everything. Like, oh my gosh, you all, I love her so much. She sticks around, she follows me everywhere I go to the point where sometimes I'm about to trip and fall. I don't know, I'm just like so happy, you all. Like, cat moms down below, leave a cat emoji and also leave me recommendations for like cat food, toys, litter boxes, like anything. Just leave the recommendation down below, because like I said, this is new to me. I hide it because like every time I take videos and pictures, she was always around. Like right now, she's around. She's trying to get up. I don't know if you can see it. She's trying to get up in the windowsill. She is in the windowsill. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with my cat, y'all. Looking to dress her up for Halloween. My daughter said we should go for the whole pumpkin thing because she's so fat and fluffy. I am in love with my kitty witty. So that was my big announcement. I got a kitty cat. Well, she is 1.5 years old. According to her paperwork, her birthday is January 20th. If you know anything about me, she will be having a birthday party, okay? I'm going to get her a cupcake, cake, cookie, whatever I can get that's cat related. Like, I think they actually have pet bakeries. And you know me, I'm going to find one so I can get my kitty witty a cake and all that. She's going to have a hat. She's going to have all that for her birthday. So I will be sharing that here on my channel. I'm a cat mom. I will be sharing some videos of my Fifi on my YouTube channel. So now I do not have to keep this a secret because again, I was waiting for the approval because I didn't want to violate my lease or anything like that. So I officially got the approval on Friday, February February. I got the approval on Friday, September, I want to say the 10th. On Friday, whatever Friday's date was, y'all. I just got a lot of stuff going on, but this right here, like, God, thank you so, so much. Because when I tell you I was stressing because the one letter my doctor sent that wasn't good enough. And so she had to redo a whole nother letter. So fix the letter, and she sent that back, and then I had to put it in PDF form, and then she was emailing them back to me. But then this particular time I had to go to the office to pick it up, so I had to figure out how to upload it to the computer to send it to the pet screening people, and it was just a process, y'all. And I was like so mentally drained behind the scenes because when I tell you I was already attached to her. Okay, if this don't work, what am I going to do? Like, I didn't want to send her back, you know. But I say that to say she's here to stay. Let me show you. Two friends. I have her on a bling collar, but she's a little fluffy, so I don't know if you can see it. Fifi. Fifi, say hi. Say hi to my YouTube friend. Say hi. Hold on. She climbs all the way up here. And I had to get used to that. Like, she climbs over my head. So I know for sure. I will be having to get her. Now I can invest in like a what is it called? A scratch and post, like a tall one. Like, I had a little bit of stuff for her, but like I said, I didn't want to invest too much. Ross is the plug to get a lot of pet stuff. That's probably somewhere I may go today. To celebrate. Like, y'all, I'm just so happy, y'all. I'm just so happy. So I have my emotional support animal, and I love her so much. I love her so much. So I think I'm gonna go run out. I'm gonna run to Ulta, and then, like I said, I'm gonna probably go to Ross just to see what they have in the pet area. So if I decide to purchase, I'll turn the camera back on so I can show y'all. But if not, yes, that's the big announcement, okay? Fifi is a part of the family, y'all. That's my kitty witty, Fifi. You see me, you see Fifi. That's just how it is, and that's how it's going to be. You're going to hear her in the background. You're going to see her. Anytime I'm taking a selfie, she right there at the bottom of my feet. When I'm filming, she was always in the background. I was trying to like cut it out because I didn't want, to make it official on paperwork, because I ain't want to get in no kind of trouble or anything like that. So I wanted to make it official before I announce Fifi on her Instagram, because I've been taking a lot of videos and pictures behind the scenes. So anything pet, reach out to your girl, because I have a girl cat at that. So if you want me to showcase any food or you want me to do reviews, me and Fifi is so open to that, okay? camera. Hello. I'm about to head out and enjoy my day. So I'll see you when I get back. Mwah. All right, y'all. I'm back from the stores. I didn't do a lot of shopping. I did get a lot of stuff for Fifi. Her some dental chews. Got some work pants. So hopefully they fit because they got like a little strap on the side to like cinch the waist in. So got Fifi this toy. I'm gonna open it and see how she likes it. Fifi, I got you a toy. Let's see. She did just wake up, y'all. Alright, I guess she's not in the mood, y'all. Says chicken flavor. What are the ingredients? Fifi, no, you can't rub up on it. Chicken meal, potato starch, rice flour, water, beef. Here, Fifi. But I'll probably insert video or catch her another time. I'm about to eat my sweet green salad that I bought the other day. Yeah, so that's going to be the end of this here vlog. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me show you real quick. I did get some from Ulta. This here, the brow glue, because I don't do my eyebrows like I used to. I am going to continue to do my brows like I used to back in the day. But for right now, the brow gel has been so much easy for me in the morning time. One of the Kylie lip balms. So that's all I bought from Ulta because I had a $10 off coupon. If you don't have Groupon, y'all sign up because Groupon sent me an email for Ulta where if you spend $7 you get a $10 gift card, and they also sent me one for Starbucks. I'm not loving Starbucks like that. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. I'm just not loving Starbucks like that. The 7 for 10 was a pretty good deal, but I don't know. I'm just not loving Starbucks at the moment, so I passed on that one. But I did get the Ulta one, so make sure y'all got Groupon if y'all don't have it. So yeah, I'm about to take this shirt off and play with Fifi. Flood my comment section with recommendations on whatever you think Fifi could benefit from, that you think I may need. I live in an apartment, keep in mind, so I don't have space for a lot of stuff, but I do for sure want to get her a scratch and pull tower thingy majiggy, whatever it is. I bought some of these hair liners for my air fryer. And these here, y'all, and I'm trying some of this here zero sugar. Oh, there she go. I think she playing with it. I got a new spray bottle because the spray bottle. Remember these tin cans? Your grandma would put everything in here like sewing stuff, extra stuff around the house, coupons, whatever. If you know, you know. Hey, Fifi, say hi. Say hey, y'all. Fifi. Say hello. Body. Her little fat self. Say bye, Fifi. Y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'm just rambling. So I'll see y'all in the next video.